Good morning, everyone. I am at the Barcelo Puerto Vallarta, and as you can see behind me, this is a stunning view. There's 361 rooms at this resort. It's family friendly, 9 floors of rooms. It's a little ways away from the downtown area, but well worth the drive. I mean, behind me you can see how beautiful the water is. There's great excursions and tours from here, great snorkeling. Good beach. This is a great place for weddings. They have a dedicated deck for weddings. So if you are wanting a resort, family friendly, in Puerto Vallarta or a little bit out of Puerto Vallarta, something quiet, this is the resort for you. Call me Susanette Escapes and let's plan. This is the premium lounge. When you book a premium room, this is the area that you can have a cocktail and some refreshments before you go to your room. I am currently standing on the balcony of a family room, and this is the view. Beautiful bay for snorkeling, great pools. So you can sit on your patio and have a cold drink, table for work, plug in for your devices, USB ports, flat screen TV and drawers, king size bed, chair for relaxing and watching television, closet, coffee station, mini fridge. This is bathroom number 1 with a waterfall shower head, and bathroom number 2 with a tub, so if you have children. And this is the second bedroom with 2 twin beds. So this is a perfect option for family vacations. Wardrobe, flat screen TV. And that was room 2816, premium section, family room. And this is the snack bar during the day and a restaurant at night. Talk about dining with a view. This is a resort designed for families. Look at all the kids and the fun they're having. It's 10 a.m. and they're having a blast. What a beautiful bar. So colorful and authentic. Hola. Yes. I see Grey Goose, Bombay.